The historic Assam-type structure housing the Shillong Bar Association was engulfed in flames on Saturday night. Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, along with Deputy Chief Minister overseeing urban affairs Sniawbhalang Dhar, Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya P Wahlang, DC East Khasi Hills M Kurbah, and other government officials visited the Shillong Bar Association site following the fire incident. In a statement, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma described the event as unfortunate, expressing sadness over the structural damage caused by the fire. While grateful for the absence of casualties, he voiced concerns about the loss of important documentation. Assuring the public, the Chief Minister stated the presence of administrative, the police and fire department officials on site actively monitoring the situation to prevent further damage.
Now things are under control.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No problem, right?
There is no problem. The fire is out. The only problem is we are waiting that it might sink. Because after a fire, generally a building tries to sink it. So we will prevent the public from entering or anything. We will try to save maybe the pillars get burnt, huh?
It's a very unfortunate incident has happened today, and we are right here in the incident, the spot, and we are yet to determine the exact reason, but it seems that it's the electrical conditions that led to the fire out here in the judiciary area. Mostly the Bar Association is here, and it's very unfortunate. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Urban Affairs, Chief Secretary, and the officials from the police department and the administration, we are all here. And of course, it's a very unfortunate incident, but we are very relieved that there's no loss of life, and no casualty was there. But of course, the fact that the infrastructure is damaged, and the fact that there could be loss of documents and all is obviously concern. But we are doing our best to make sure that we minimize the damage. And even now in the site, we are all here, and we are monitoring the situation, and we want to make sure that no further damage is done. So I'm thankful to the fire department that is here to handle the situation.
According to the watchman Bhola Yadav, who took a brief dinner break after 10:30 p.m., noticed the fire upon his return and immediately raised an alarm. Yadav recounted seeing sparks emanating from an electrical wire upon his arrival, but the intensity of the blaze prevented him from entering the room. Firefighters swiftly responded to the scene, managing to bring the inferno under control. However, the fire left the interior hollow, reducing most documents and furniture to ashes.
तो आया तो देखा इधर में आग लगा है सर। हमको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा। हम एक घंटा के बाद पहला गया खाना खाने के बाद में देखता तो वो बच्चा लोग टीवी देखा है ऊपर में रूम नंबर 7 में। ऐसा देखा तो अचानक पापा आग लग गया, ताला मारा है सब। फिर फटाफट हम ये वो गेट सब खोल के देखा, अंदर घुसने नहीं सकता, इतना लग गया। फ्यूज भी निकाला मीटर का।
अच्छा, ये कितना बजे हुआ था?
ये लगभग में सर 10:30 के बाद में लगा।
कहाँ से शुरू हुआ?
वो अंदर से हुआ सर, बाहर में नहीं, अंदर से।
कैसा हुआ?
लाइटें से हुआ सर, लाइट शॉर्ट होगा, शॉर्ट से हुआ, लाइट से हुआ। हम अंदर में गया तो आग लहक रहा है, लेकिन ऊपर लहक रहा है, जहाँ से तार गया ना इस बिजली का, वहाँ में लहक रहा है, तो शॉर्ट होगा सर। तो देखा नहीं, बिजली का तार पूरा ऊपर से जल रहा है वायर।
आप क्या काम करता है इधर में?
इधर में चौकीदारी करते हैं।
हाँ,
चौकीदारी।
चौकीदार?
हाँ सर।
ये कितना रूम है टोटल?
13 ठो है सर।
11 ठो? 13 ठो।
The former president of the Shillong Bar Association, H. Nongklau, revealed that the devastating fire had consumed both personal and official documents, especially those stored in the secretary's office, electronic devices and library books, especially legal reference materials, generously contributed by former Bar Association members. Nongklau lamented that the extent of the damage is immense, with much left unaccounted for in the aftermath of the blaze.
पता है
please help with this. So please, instead of taking video, can you please help with this?
Wah, diri ramen kelak.
Rồi cái chứng đơn cho em thì cái buôn cái đơn cái file cái đơn cái lawyers chứng cái bà bùi cái file hàng tôi hi but chân với cái lawyer chứng cái đơn là cái trong cái cất là cái file đơn cầm hàng tôi bar cái đơn cái computers cái đơn cái xerox machine apa cái buôn thì buôn pelak cái chứng tu cái nom apa cái file cái nom duna ada cái spa tu tapi nunua spa ne kelar pelak spa ki file don kam ke nata ki don ki kilapun ki tiar kita lagi jong jibur ki ta heng mana on xerox machine nata ki computers ki laptops ni kita ki pun ki bo tu te aga jung do ta kapla masuk kan patai lapun ke
Empat
mar
laptop
ba ngejenjar kawai kalau sim ladu ki file em te la stop kan bar reconstruct tu kan ki kan sending ke jung do nah ini tengah atli komputer atau kau ke xerox machine tegi dan don kita balik jam kita kira komputer ya beri ki bawa ni kita file yang beri kan kita rekam kita nanti beri kita an kita pun kita nanti mesti dan kata ni don ke library ke panggil book kita kislah kita an kita mengilakan sholat dulu mensyah kan kita nabun lagi do kan mergibun kikat islah ki contribute ki lawyers belum syaru kidan ki bengi tier hiru kata kadon ka kamera jang secretary ki bengi stock ki lagi bar khate gong ibu record nam ta ki lawyers nam ta ki cingdok kam profile ki cingdo te mla shu ban banong tik cingdo te nang shu nama klabun pala ke
side.